Today, I want to introduce Hydrotell Company. Hydrotell unique technology enabling a new and innovative level of continuous reservoir monitoring on fields in production. Hydrotell gauges installed in wells will continuously measure the difference in pressure between the hydrocarbon phase and water. This information can be used to better planning field drilling programs and to make better decisions regarding the operations and future developments of wells. Hydrotell's vision is to see reservoir engineers equipped with perfect information. By reducing uncertainty, better decisions can be made faster, costs go down, and the environment is spared. In existing reservoirs, the level of the oil-water contact is constantly changing as the field is developed and the location of the oil-water contact with time is unknown. If we know the pressure in both the water and the oil phase as a function of time, we can use this information to understand the distance to the oil-water contact. Pressure measurements from production wells is reflecting the highest pressure, hence the pressure in the oil phase. The pressure in the water phase is unidentified. The objective of this project is to develop a tool that can measure the pressure in the thin water film present in the oil phase and based on this information monitor the distance to the free water level. Full description of Hydrotell software profile is available on PetroMehras.com. For learning more about Hydrotell technology, click on visit website link on the top right side of software profile. Hope you found this video useful. Please post your experience if you have used any of Hydrotell services and products below and let us know which technology company you are interested in introducing in the next video. Thank you.